Hello. This is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the world of digital art, exploring the best drawing tablets with screens tailored for beginners. Join us as we uncover the perfect tools to kickstart your creative journey.
Number 1. XP Pen has truly redefined the art of digital creation with its remarkable tablet with screen. As an artist, I'm astounded by its seamless integration of technology and creativity. The pen glides effortlessly, translating every stroke with precision onto the vibrant display. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding artist, this tablet enhances your artistic journey like never before. The intuitive design and responsive touch make every artwork a masterpiece in the making. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to boundless creativity with XP Pen's tablet with screen. Number 2. Game and Tablet with Screen, a game changer for digital artists. Dive into a world where creativity knows no bounds. With its sleek design and responsive display, every stroke feels like magic. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to boundless imagination. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this tablet elevates your art to new heights. Experience vivid colors, precise lines, and seamless workflow. It's not just a tablet, it's a masterpiece waiting to happen. Unleash your creativity with Game-In, where dreams become reality. Number 3. Symbian's tablet with screen revolutionized my artistic journey. With its seamless design and responsive touch, I can bring my imagination to life effortlessly. The vibrant display and precise stylus make every stroke a masterpiece. Whether I'm sketching, painting, or editing, this tablet enhances my creativity like never before. Plus, its compact size and durability make it perfect for on-the-go inspiration. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless possibilities with the Symbian's tablet with screen. It's a game changer for any aspiring artist. Number 4. HUION has truly outdone themselves with this tablet. As an artist, I'm always on the lookout for tools that enhance my creativity, and this tablet with a screen does just that. The display is crisp, colors vibrant, and the drawing experience feels natural, like pen on paper. Its sensitivity and responsiveness make intricate details a breeze, whether I'm sketching, painting, or illustrating. Plus, the sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to my workspace. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless artistic possibilities with the HUION tablet with screen. Number 5. Veek's tablet with screen is an artist's dream come true. From its sleek design to its seamless pen-to-screen experience, every stroke feels like magic. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your artistic journey, this tablet elevates your creativity to new heights. The vibrant display and responsive stylus make every detail pop with precision. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to boundless creativity with Veek's tablet. Unleash your imagination and let your artistry soar like never before.
In conclusion, selecting the right drawing tablet with a screen for beginners can greatly enhance your artistic journey. Consider factors like pen pressure sensitivity, screen size, and compatibility with your preferred software. Whether you're a budding artist or a seasoned creator, finding the perfect fit will amplify your creative potential. Thanks for watching.